you go? You wet now?
I'd hate to, no. I'd really hate to go down rapids and then...
Did you say you can't go down the middle?
Oh, is that a whirlpool or something?
No.
Oh, no, but...
There's a sign up there if you guys want to read it. It says if you're going to get married, you're going to do it. So they'll marry you there with all the places
I already did it. Sorry. I've already done that too. This side, he ain't wet yet.
He's not wet.
Wow.
If you put your head down right on the floor up there, you'll get a nice breaking wave coming over your head.
Put your head down.
No, put my head.
I'll put my head down.
Dude,
I want to
seriously.
get wet. Everybody's going to get wet. It's
I
fun.
know.
I want to get
Put my
wet.
head down.
It actually cools you off from the sun.
Yeah, it really does. No, I want to get wet. Yeah, you get wet.
All right, now he's wet. Woo!
Oh, shiz.
That's not rough.
Wait, do we get rougher?
Oh, yeah.
Does it? It gets rougher, doesn't it?
It gets rougher than this.
Yeah.
But today.
Oh, there's some good spots here. It's actually all downhill from here. That's right.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, never been on waves this calm.
I thought I was gonna fall out with that because you hit the wave like head on.
So the rest is easy. We already did all the hard stuff.
I don't know.
Let's ask our guide.
He said the hard stuff was out of the way.
All the hard stuff is already over.
That's what he said. You take it or leave it, whichever you
I like
want.
going through hard stuff.
Huh?
Those rocks are really high.
Some of them.
They're like,
That's what makes the white water.
Is the dust?
No, the wake off where it rolls over the rock.
I'm definitely coming here next year. If I
I'm
survive,
going on a
if we survive the
They
bus-
canceled it this year.
Yeah. There wasn't enough people.
Yeah, there was only 18 people.
The Coley's supposed to be like even harder than this, right?
It's supposed to be.
I'm probably not gonna do the Coley.
Why? Because was this too hard?
Really?
No, it's nice and Coley.
I think you have to be 13 to go on a Coley too.
I don't think you have to be 13.
You just have to be on this one first.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I was just checking.
Okie dokie. The one on the left? Okie dokie.
Butt rock.
Lean in towards the middle.
Oh, wow.
You're gonna get so wet. What?
You get so wet, we're about to brand that rock.
Oh no!
Oh, man.
Wait, hold up. Yay!
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god! I thought you were gonna fall out.
Who, me?
No, yeah.
I was like,
Hey, lock your feet in. You can't fall out. It's hard to fall out if you lock your feet in.
No, I'm gonna not lock my feet in.
oh,
Yeah, Desmond, just put them right there.
Y'all put them right here.
I was so
No, you shove them under. You lock your feet in.
No, yeah, so if you don't want to put them up.
No, this is the first stop.
We can swim here.
All right, hold up. More?
Let's keep on going.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm grabbing the tree, huh?
Yeah, exactly. I already dunked it. I already went underwater.
You guys can hop out if you want
I'll
to.
jump in the water.
Hey, when Tony gets up here, we're all going to shout each other.
He might need another guide.